Welcome to the channel. This is Gang Fitness, and here I'm ready to demonstrate a video. I'm looking at my teeth right now. I'm just using the black toothpaste that I really like, and I'm really going to show you a video of that. This stuff really works. It helps you with your teeth. It's real good. It doesn't cost that much. I'm going to have the link in the description. So please, follow me. Follow me, love me, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. Give me a like. Give me everything I need so I can help get more videos and put out there. I love you guys. Show you my kisses and stuff like that. So, with this toothpaste, man, it's really good, man. Here you go right there. Charcoal. Real good. Got a lot of benefits with the toothpaste. It helps your teeth get much brighter. It cleans your teeth. It have a nice minty taste in your mouth as well, and it don't have that back junk. So I'm just showing you. You open up the box. This is what you'll see right here. There you go right there. You see it right there. I'm just showing you some stuff. How you open it. You use the tab, open it, and then they have a lot of little seal on there. You peel that seal, right? You want to use the toothpaste on your toothbrush. Peel that seal so you can get to the work. Man, yeah, like I said, man. The stuff is good. I really like it. It really make my teeth look way better than before. My teeth is already good, but that extra boost. So when I take pictures and stuff like that, having a nice smile. It's a second seal as well. So that's third. That's the third seal. So you gotta take that off too. Get it off. It took me some time to get it because I was looking at it too hard, and I was just like, oh man, let me peel it that way, peel it this way, let me peel it. And I'm trying over here. I'm just trying, and then. Shout out to my hair, man. My hair looking good, man. My hair grew so much. I started off low, low cut waves, but then my hair good. But yeah, I finally got the seals, a lot of seal. Boom, that. It is black toothpaste, so I really show that. Show this black toothpaste right here. Bam. Make sure you get your toothpaste. There you go, right there. See, and I'm gonna push it up so you can see that. Bam. It's real. It's really real. It's ready, man. It's ready. I know everybody's seen the black toothpaste before. You know what I'm saying? I use an Oral-B toothbrush. It's really good for my teeth. I got strong teeth, so that toothbrush is good. So I recommend Oral-B. Get that thing. I have a description or I have a link to a good toothpaste or toothbrush on my video. So put the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Bam. Easy, right? Easy. Easy so far. Easy. I've rinsed some water on it, so a little bit, and there you go. Apply, get it work, get it done. We brushing. We are brushing. Start to the right, to the left. Hit the top teeth first. Everything's top teeth. Top, bottom. Just the front part of your teeth. So I want to say top and bottom. That's it. You hit that first. You go. All the way to the left, all the way to the right. And don't miss the backs of your teeth, too. Like I was doing, I cheese, and then I go up and down. Show some muscle, gang. Gang, muscle. Bam. Get it done. Get it done. You want that smile to get good. You want that smile. You want that commercial teeth. This is how you get it. How you get it done. All right. Right here, all that. So now I'm gonna spit it out. And start over, start over. Because I got the top of my teeth. See? That's good. Now, reset. Do another one. And this time, I'm going to get inside of my mouth. Bottom, top, bottom, left, bottom, all that inside. Back of your teeth, back of your mouth, all that. I'm sure that, yeah. Get all that. We need to get all that. Because you're just brushing your top of your mouth and top of your teeth. That's good, but you need to get everything. And that's what for that toothpaste to work. You got to get all parts of your mouth, everything. And you got to apply this toothpaste twice a day. All right? Don't miss it. Twice a day. I know sometimes when you doing stuff like this and you're like, man, I got to do this every day. Everything is a training. That's why like your personal health and your hygiene is training. You got to get your mind to an everyday routine. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Every day. Don't miss it. Have a set a time. If you bad with time management, have everything in order so you can get it done. Um, so yeah, man, my teeth looking good. My teeth looking better. I'm rinsing it out again. So have that, and I'm rinsing out the black toothpaste inside the sink too, because I don't like looking at that once I spit it out. So I'm cleaning that off as well. So it'd be a good way to do it when you're brushing your teeth. So this toothpaste is awesome. I really like it. Now I'm showing you cool mouth. Cool. Everything's good. Everything look good. Everything smile. Everything's cheesy. Dang. Alright. And there you go. Alright. So this is like my first day applying it with you guys. I really haven't tried it before. I just opened the box like I showed you guys. And this is how you know. Make sure you put the top back on the toothpaste. Nobody likes a loose top toothpaste. Alright? That's not cool. We're not doing that. Alright. Black, Black Lives Matter right there. Black Lives Matter rag. Get it done. Clean it all. Clean it all off. So when you put it in a box, your box don't get wet. You want to keep the box hard and clean and strong. If it get wet and get loose, then the box gone, then the toothpaste get messed up, all that stuff. Keep it secure. Secure it. So there you go. Charcoal. It's lit. It's ready. It's heading for it. It's good. And sometimes your toothbrush will have some little black stuff on it from the toothpaste. Clean it off. Make sure your toothpaste is clean. Clean it all the way off. Make sure it's straight. Boom. Bam. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. All right. Well, yeah, there you go. That's the end of the video. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Gang Fitness. Shop online. Follow me on Instagram, Dame_gang. The teeth is right. If the teeth is right, the face is right. And to do you better, you have to put in the work. That's gang. All right? So, there you go. Here we go. Bam. I love you. Showing you my love, showing you my appreciation. And I'm out.